Meaning of dive.
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 Dive. The word dive can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can mean to plunge headfirst into water, to descend rapidly or deeply, or to explore a subject in great detail. In the context of sports, it can refer to a technique in diving, soccer, or American football. The result of a dive can vary depending on the context as well. For example, in diving, a successful dive would involve executing the required maneuvers with precision and achieving a clean entry into the water. In soccer or football, a good dive could result in the awarding of a free kick or penalty.